Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Now, scores of persons turned out on Saturday for the RGR Galena Communications Group's cross-country invasion Region 1 show held at the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center. The show featured exciting, fun-filled activities for the family, including backward spelling contest, sporting events, performances from several popular entertainers, as well as musical juggling from Hits FM's DJ Tropical and RGR 94's DJ Deli. Check out some of the highlights of the show. Following his bubbling performance at the RGR Galena Cross Country Region 1 show on Saturday, Singjay and dancer Ching departed the island to complete scenes for the Rock the World remix, which features Nigerian reggae dancehall singer and songwriter Patra Rankin, Ghanaian Afropop dancehall and reggae artist Stoneboy, and hip-hop radio personality Fatman Scoop. The rising Jamaican talent is gearing up for the 2018 debut album dubbed Turning Tables. Meanwhile, Ching returned to the island today to start shooting the video for his latest release, Rope, produced by Sean Paul. Ching is the first dancehall artist signed to Dirty Rock Productions, the label owned and founded by multi-platinum icon Sean Paul. On the international scene, Sunday saw the much-anticipated staging of the 52nd annual Super Bowl game, where the Philadelphia Eagles soared past last year's defending champions, the New England Patriots, to win the coveted football trophy. Although viewership of the event was said to be at the lowest since 2010, millions of football fans still tuned in to witness the spectacle of the game and the thrill that was Justin Timberlake's halftime solo performance.
That ass shaking thing, you sing it to me, baby girl. You got a couple more in your heart to beat. In the middle of the floor, so the air stick, skill and right. To the pass to the left and the sail to the right. Don't be so quick to come on now. I wanna rock your body. Please stay.
14 minutes was all the pop star needed to make a lasting impression on the crowd, and that he did. The former NSYNC lead singer made the crowd move with a number of hits, including Rock Your Body and Cry Me a River. He then smoothed things out with a touching posthumous tribute to the late Prince. Justin's performance at Super Bowl 52 on Sunday was his first since the infamous appearance with pop singer Janet Jackson at the games in 2004, where he was accused of exposing her breast to a live family audience during a dance routine. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.